Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got the September Lookfantastic beauty box. This is the monthly subscription box. It costs £15 a box, and inside you find 6 beauty products with a minimum value of £50. I have a code to share with you, which is my channel name, Diaryofabeautygeek, and that will entitle you to receive your first box for £12 if you take out a monthly subscription. If there's any other offers or codes available on their website, then I'll let you know down below in my description, and down there you'll see all the links and any limited edition beauty boxes and advent calendars they've got currently running, and you'll see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites. So yeah, you're welcome to take a look if you want to. I'll give you a little bit of a sneak peek first. Right, we'll plonk that there. We got a few familiars and we got something newish. I don't think I've ever seen this before. It's from Dr. Paw, and this is a lip oil. It's a tinted lip oil for nourishing and smooth lips in Coral Crush. This is full size. And yeah, I'm used to their multi-purpose balms, but I honestly don't think I've ever seen this before. Let's try my hand. Oh, I like that. I like the colour. Now you can use their multi-purpose balms, the tinted ones anyway, on your lips if you wanted to, but this is more of an oil. So no, I like that they got it in an oil. Brush is quite hard. Sponge applicator is quite hard. It's not very padded, but it's fine. It doesn't stop you applying it to your lips. It's just, you could feel the plastic then, you know. So you got a lip oil by Dr. Paw there. Then we've got Rituals, the Ritual of Sakura, and this is a sugar body polish, sugar and cherry blossoms. This is really, really nice. It smells amazing. The Ritual of Sakura is one of my favourite scents from any of the Ritual ranges. Now, I've got to be really careful when I open this because sometimes the oil is right at the top. Yes, it's all right though. Hopefully you can see there without it tipping out. Let's see how far I can go. Right, I can't go further than that. Can you see there? Hold on, let me shove my finger in. There you go. So it's a gorgeous smelling sugar scrub for your body. Great for me at the moment. I have got bits of fake tan stuck in patches all in the middle of my thighs and my ankles. Ankles, fair enough. But why in the middle of my thighs? The insides. I just got 2 big brown patches there. That hasn't disappeared since I went on holiday. I went on a 3-night break to Greece, Skiathos, about a week or 2 ago. Loved it. Last minute holiday, bargain holiday. Never been to Skiathos before, but loved it. But anyway, yeah, so I've got dodgy hands, so this will be handy to scrape all that off. But yeah, oh, I love the smell. It smells so, so nice. Really nice. Then we have got a return of a product I haven't seen for a long while. This is so good. I'm sure it's the one I loved a long time ago, to the point where I bought a really big bottle of it. It's a 3-in-1 conditioner, hair mask and finishing cream in one. No, I'm sure it is this. It's by We Are Paradox. It's 30 mils there. I haven't seen We Are Paradox for a while. I thought they'd actually gone out of business, but maybe not. But yeah, if it is the product that I loved, it is so good on my hair. It's so, so good. And I bought a litre bottle of it. I'm sorry if I'm talking about a different brand. It could very well be because it was a while ago. But yeah, I used it as a hair conditioner, and so did the rest of the family. But you've got a 3-in-1 there, and then we've got Elemis. This is Pro Collagen Marine Cream with SPF 30, and there's 15 mils here. This is a really nice cream. Really, really nice. I love the fact it's got SPF 30 on it as well, so just for that extra protection. Did any of you see my post that I posted up about the Elemis offer on the Lookfantastic website? I think it was last week, where for £38, you can still do it now, but half the products you can't get anymore, unfortunately, but it's still there. But for £38, you get to choose, I think it's 5 different Elemis products. They're all like little mini sizes like this. So you could choose a cleansing balm, you could choose a toner, you can choose an exfoliator and a moisturizer. And what was the last thing? I can't remember. I can't remember, maybe it's 4. There was an offer on at the same time as well that if you were to buy that bundle, then you could get a free Elemis bag as well. It was really good, really, really good. But yeah, if you went for that offer, let me know. I thought it was a really good one. Then we've got Peter Thomas Roth, and this is a cucumber gel mask. Extreme detox hydrator, refreshing, cooling, moisturising, and helps soothe the look of dry skin with cucumber extracts. There's 14 mils there. I've received this before in different beauty boxes. It's nice. I love the fact it's cucumber. Anything cucumber I'm obsessed with. It's just so nice and refreshing. You can use a couple of times a week. You leave it on your skin for about 10 minutes and then you rinse then. And then lastly, we have got a little mini. This is so cute. This is a mini Pixie Glow Tonic exfoliating toner, and there's 15 mils there. Just a really cute mini version because the big ones are like this, aren't they? Or I think you can get 100 mils and maybe 200 or 300 ml versions. So this is more like a sample travel size. So glycolic acid is great for exfoliating the skin. It unclogs pores, it brightens and smooths, and it's anti-aging as well. Yeah, it's a great product to have. Those are all the products inside the September Lookfantastic beauty box. We've got Ritual of Sakura Sugar Body Scrub from Rituals. We've got We Are Paradox Growth 3-in-1 treatment, conditioner, hair mask and finishing cream. We've got a Dr. Paw lip oil. We've got an Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream with SPF 30. It's a moisturiser. Then we've got a Peter Thomas Roth, a cucumber gel mask. And then lastly, we've got a little Pixie Glow Tonic. I've just had a look and the value of the box comes in at £80 this month. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? I know a load of you subscribed for last month's box. Will you be continuing your subscription for this month? I'd love to hear all your thoughts, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.